Uh, Satu, dua, tiga. Um, okay, well, we are group 2 from English and technical purposes. We are going to present the effects of COVID-19 on learning and teaching. I am Ganesh Varan, and my group mates are Saranya, Muhammad Lokman, Shahmi, Chong, and Nabil. So Chong will talk about the introduction.
My name is Song. As you can see, traditionally most of the lecturers use the physical present of classroom and the textbook. Nowadays, most of the country in the world has been affected by the COVID-19. The virus can be spread from person to person. Because of that, Malaysia has taken provision by using the MCO to prevent the virus from spreading more. It gives the huge impact, especially for the education system in Malaysia. Most of the university choose the online learning to prevent the physical contact between the student and the lecturer for continue their learning and teaching. Now I pass to my friend.
I will talk about problem statement. In the problem statement, now we can see teacher and student, they lose or they are weakness on of the necessary expertise and training necessary to do this a difficult technical task. In the same time, also student or some teacher, they will have a weak or a disconnected internet in many areas. They cannot connect with the internet by easy way. Some of the teacher and the student, they will get the problem in this point. And also look of the motivation. I will pass to my friend.
My name is Jaya Saranya Parasuraman, and I'll be presenting the objectives of the study. Firstly, it's to find out the preferred method of online learning and challenges the student face. Considering the advanced technologies we have right now, the online learning and teaching must be adjusted and improved according to the preferences of the students and the lecturers. Besides, like many countries around the world, including Malaysia, the MCO was enforced to decrease the number of cases of COVID-19 to actually flatten the curve of the spread of COVID-19. Therefore, online learning became an important thing among the lecturers and the students. Therefore, this approach should be taken to use proper, more advanced and appropriate teaching and learning methods for the students and the lecturers. Next is to identify the students' attitude towards online learning. Attitudes such as their readiness to learn, the experience they go through, and the intention to continue studying using online learning method. I would like to cite a researcher called named Ellen Chang. In her research paper, she actually stated that female students are more prepared for the online learning sessions compared to male students. Besides, she also stated that if given a choice, a certain number of students do not actually want to continue online learning sessions. So next is to identify the advantages and disadvantages of online learning. Mostly these advantages are highlighted in so many research papers. However, based on a research paper conducted by students from Indonesia, about 32% of students out of 100 respondents who actually answered their questions said that online learning sessions have advantages and disadvantages equally. So that's all from me.
Okay, now I will present. My name is Muhammad Lokman, and I will be present the significance of the issue. Okay, online education enables the teacher and the student to fit their own flexibility of setting the schedule that fits everyone's agenda. Online education enables you to study or teach from anywhere in the world. This means there is no need to commute from one place to another as long as there is a good internet access. But at some point, some of students that out of coverage area, it is hard for them to get an access. They have to find a better place to do online learning. So there will be two types of learning, which is synchronized and unsynchronized. Where for the synchronized, we have to join the online live class education through online together with the lecturer. While for unsynchronized class, the class lecture will be recorded earlier and the video will be uploaded, so it will be easy for them to catch what they miss in the class. So I will pass to the next for methodology.
Okay, methodology. How do we solve this problem? I think that free online courses should be given to everyone globally by all learning platforms. These online courses should also teach us on how to use PowerPoint properly, softwares like Canva, the software that we use to do this poster, and other engineering softwares. It should be free because during this coronavirus outbreak, our economy is really bad. So, and another thing that the lecturers can do to boost our motivation is to maybe do some competitions with prizes during online class, so that the students will feel more active, and maybe the teachers can bank in money to the students who answer the right questions. Also, learning platforms should not have 30 days free trial. It should be completely free during this COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, I will now pass it to Shami.
Okay. For the conclusion of our group, effect of COVID-19 on learning and teaching. For the first, the student feel with online learning is that they can listen at home. They are not limited by the place, and they can listen anytime and anywhere. And they are not limited by time into a comfortable educational environment term. Secondly, the use of free time, network instability, teacher voice and teaching material are used simultaneously, and the concentration of the student will reduce. Thirdly, for the suggestion, by increasing the network instability, activating interaction through increasing one-side interaction, and conducting face-to-face for the exercise. Next, university need to be supporting and integrating and embracing adjunct faculty for the accreditation and support service. For the lastly, the effectiveness of the online adjunct must through dedication, attention from the student. Okay, that's all for the conclusion. Thank you.
Dengan hikmah kita meneroka